So you bought you a Harbor Freight fluid extractor. Now I sprung for the manual extractor, even though I do have air in the shop. Now let me show you how this thing works. So what you'll receive with the kit is 3 hoses. So the thicker hose you see here will connect to this fitting right here. Now it is just a push and seal connect. So once you push it in, you can pull it and it is sealed. The other 2 hoses you receive in the kit will just be extension hoses. So you'll probably at least want to put one of these on. You'll want to seat it fully. You'll see an evacuate and dispense lever right here. So we are going to be evacuating, so we will push it up. Now I'm currently using this tool to drain a transmission through the fill plug. So let's see how quickly it can drain this thing. I see the fluid starting to come now. Now, after pumping this unit several times, I just let it sit and it continued to extract the fluid, and now it is sucking air, so it's just about empty. I'm just gonna let it go for a little bit. Now on the side of the tool, you will see a liter marking, and I was distrusting of this measurement, so I went ahead and got the wife's Pyrex and double checked it, and I can say it is accurate. So when you're dumping your old fluid out, this is what you'll have to take loose to dump it out. And if you have some pretty nasty fluid, you'll want to flush this thing out, which the top does unscrew. In this case, the fluid is actually pretty clean, so I'm not going to flush this out. I'm just going to fill it through this fill hole with my new fluid. I've switched it to dispense. Let's try it. Alright, I pumped this thing up a few times and just let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it filled itself. So my thoughts on this tool are it's well worth the money, and it's actually pretty clean. It's nice when you're servicing something and you want to put the exact same amount of fluid in it as you removed. This makes it very handy for seeing that actual amount. Also not having to get under the vehicle to drain it, even though in this case that wouldn't be that big a deal. Alright, we'll see you guys next time.
Keep thinking.